how to fix file not found on Viber. So if you're trying to find a file on Viber and if you're not finding the file, or if you're not being able to find the file, then what you can do is once you open your Viber application, make sure to log into your application, and then you can go for the bottom right, which has that three dots icon, and from here you can go for settings, and under your settings you will have media option. Tap on media, and under your media make sure that you have turned all of these on. And once you turn on all of these options, now your file will be downloaded or saved to your gallery, or you can find your file. But if you're using mobile data on your device, then you need to turn on auto download media over mobile data so that it will download while using mobile network. But if you're not using your mobile network and if you're using your Wi-Fi connection, then you need to turn that off, or it's optional. And once you've done that, now your problem might be fixed, right? But if that still doesn't fix your problem, remove that and then simply tap and hold on to that application, and you will get app info option. Tap on app info, and under your app info here you may have storage and cache. Tap on storage and cache and then go for clear cache. And once you clear your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But even if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply go back and then you need to tap on uninstall. And once you uninstall, you need to tap on OK, and after uninstalling you can again install it from your Play Store or your App Store. But if you don't want to uninstall the application, then you can go for storage and cache, and you can go for clear storage, and you can tap on delete and you can delete the storage of your Viber. And once you delete, you can again log back into your account and you need to start the backup. And once you turn on the backup, now your files will be again fixed, or it will be found. So that's it. That's how you fix your file not found on Viber. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.